Mechanical Engineering 8th Semester Project by Steve Abraham, Fakri Bariawala, Hussein Vora and Vijay Kumar Thakur. Guided by Assistant Professor Shail N. Shah. Have you ever heard of a portable refrigerator without a compressor? Have you ever heard of a portable refrigerator without a refrigerant? Our project is about design, fabrication and thermal analysis of portable refrigerator with multiple TEC modules and Peltier effects. Our aim is to develop a portable thermoelectric refrigeration system consisting of TEC and no compressor and refrigerant. We have finally designed our personalized portable refrigerator. We are working on the principle of Peltier effect with the TEC modules consisting of P-type and N-type semiconductors. Objectives of this product: to design and develop a portable refrigerator which is effective, durable, user-friendly and eco-friendly too. We did a couple of refrigeration testing and analysis. Finally, we came up with the portable refrigerator fabricated. We finally made our visions come true. Personalized design and completely fabricated body of portable refrigerator. It is compact in size, lightweight, and it is easy to handle. Solution to the problem: no heavy moving components, less maintenance, no noise disturbance, no refrigerant, no leakage, eco-friendly. Convenient for traveling, on the go. Great for hotels and room services, industries and households. Valuable product for diabetics to store insulin on the way, ambulances, hospitals. Thank you, ITM SLS Baroda University.